Introduction. Transforming governance in a complex world. Modern organizations face unprecedented complexity, rapid technological advancements, shifting societal expectations, and interconnected global systems create a dynamic landscape that demands a fresh approach to governance. Traditional governance systems, rooted in rigid structures, rule enforcement, and risk aversion, struggle to keep pace with these demands. Quantum governance represents a paradigm shift. Inspired by the principles of quantum physics, systems thinking, and behavioral science, this governance model replaces rigid controls with dynamic alignment mechanisms, enabling organizations to maintain balance between freedom and structure, innovation and accountability. In Episode 11, we explored how future-proofing equips organizations with adaptive capacity. Episode 12 takes this further, addressing the governance frameworks that support such adaptability, creating an environment where transformation becomes natural and sustainable. Segment 1. The case for quantum governance. The traditional governance model is akin to a tightly locked cage. It controls actions but stifles creativity and flexibility. Quantum governance, on the other hand, functions more like a magnetic field, guiding behaviors and decisions through alignment, coherence, and shared purpose. This approach fosters innovation and accountability, while eliminating the constraints of excessive bureaucracy. Traditional governance versus quantum governance. 1. Traditional governance, focused on control mechanisms, compliance, and risk mitigation. 2. Quantum governance emphasizes field effects, pattern alignment, risk intelligence, and purpose coherence. Example: Jennifer Lee, Chief Risk Officer at a financial institution, observed inefficiencies in balancing oversight with innovation. By transitioning to quantum governance, her organization reduced operational friction by 30%, enabling greater flexibility and faster decision-making during high-stakes situations. Segment 2. Principles of quantum governance. Quantum governance is built on 5 core principles, each offering a transformative perspective on organizational control and alignment. 1. Field-based control. Governance systems influence behavior, not through mandates, but by creating environments where desirable actions naturally emerge. This field-based control relies on purpose alignment, cultural coherence, and value resonance. Key components. 1. Purpose alignment. A clear mission draws individuals and teams toward aligned goals. 2. Cultural coherence. Organizational culture serves as a subtle but powerful guide for decision-making. 3. Energy management. Motivation and engagement become primary drivers of performance. Example: a global technology company cultivated purpose-driven leadership programs. This alignment increased employee engagement by 40%, resulting in higher retention rates and improved product innovation. Implementation steps. 1. Clearly articulate and communicate organizational purpose. 2. Embed core values into decision-making processes. 3. Shape culture through rituals, symbols, and storytelling. 4. Energize teams through recognition, autonomy, and support. 2. Pattern governance. Rather than micromanaging individual actions, quantum governance focuses on shaping organizational patterns, repeated behaviors, interactions, and workflows. Key components. 1. Pattern recognition, identifying existing patterns within organizational systems. 2. Pattern influence, subtly guiding these patterns toward efficiency and alignment. 3. Pattern evolution, allowing patterns to adapt organically to changing conditions. Example: a logistics firm identified inefficient communication patterns causing delays. By redesigning team workflows and fostering cross-department collaboration, they reduced delivery times by 25%. Implementation steps. 1. Map communication flows, decision-making processes, and collaboration dynamics. 2. Introduce mechanisms to influence and evolve patterns, such as spatial redesign or new collaboration tools. 3. Regularly audit patterns for alignment with organizational goals. 3. Risk intelligence. Traditional risk management focuses on avoiding risks. Quantum governance emphasizes risk intelligence, which transforms risks into strategic opportunities. Key components. 1. Sensing, early detection of potential risks. 2. Analysis, understanding complex risk patterns. 3. Response, designing adaptive, nuanced responses. 4. Learning, capturing insights to improve future preparedness. Example: a global retailer implemented AI-driven risk intelligence systems. This proactive approach allowed them to forecast supply chain disruptions and secure alternative vendors, saving millions during global crises. Implementation steps: 1. Develop real-time sensing systems using AI and machine learning. 2. Conduct scenario planning and risk simulations. 3. Create rapid response protocols. 4. Establish post-incident reviews for continuous learning. 4. Purpose coherence. Purpose coherence ensures that all organizational elements align with a shared mission. This alignment drives engagement, innovation, and consistency across the organization. Key components: 1. Purpose clarity, a well-communicated mission that inspires action. 2. Value integration. Organizational values serve as decision-making anchors. 3. Strategic direction. Goals and objectives clearly linked to the mission. 4. Action integrity. Daily decisions and behaviors reflect core values. Example: a healthcare network refocused its operations around patient-centric care. This alignment led to a 50% increase in patient satisfaction and a 30% improvement in staff morale. Implementation steps: 1. Use coherence matrices to evaluate alignment between purpose, values, and actions. 2. Conduct workshops to refine strategic direction. 3. Regularly communicate the mission across all levels. 5. Dynamic balance. Quantum governance thrives on balancing opposing forces: freedom and control, speed and safety, stability and evolution. Key components: 1. Freedom within frameworks. Enable autonomy while maintaining alignment. 2. Innovation with integrity. Foster creativity within ethical boundaries. 3. Speed with safety. Combine agility with thorough risk assessment. 4. Evolution with stability. Adapt processes without destabilizing core operations. Example: a startup designed flexible decision-making frameworks, allowing teams to innovate while ensuring accountability. This approach led to a 50% faster time to market for new products. Segment 3. Quantum Governance Architecture. The architecture of quantum governance integrates sensing, alignment, response, and evolution into a cohesive system. 1. Sensing systems. Real-time data collection and analysis provide awareness of risks, trends, and opportunities. Example: a multinational corporation used AI-powered dashboards to monitor market dynamics, allowing proactive adjustments to its strategy. 2. Alignment networks. Structures ensure coherence across departments and teams, fostering shared purpose. Example: a nonprofit developed cross-functional alignment workshops, improving collaboration and boosting impact metrics by 40%. 3. Response protocols. Agile systems enable rapid adaptation to emerging conditions. Example: a tech company created response playbooks for common scenarios, reducing downtime by 30%. 4. Evolution management. Processes ensure governance adapts continuously to internal and external changes. Example: an energy firm conducted annual governance audits, refining practices to stay ahead of industry trends. Segment 4. Implementing quantum governance. Implementing quantum governance involves 3 phases. Phase 1. Foundation building. 1. Conduct assessments of organizational patterns, risks, and opportunities. 2. Example: a manufacturing company identified silos that hindered innovation, implementing cross-functional teams to improve workflow. Phase 2. Capability development. 1. Build competencies in sensing, pattern recognition, and adaptive response. 2. Example: a healthcare provider trained its leadership in systems thinking, enhancing decision-making during crises. Phase 3. System integration. 1. Embed governance mechanisms into daily operations. 2. Example: a retail chain incorporated governance metrics into performance dashboards, improving alignment and accountability. Segment 5. Case studies. 1. Healthcare innovation. A global network used quantum governance to align operations with patient care values, achieving a 50% reduction in treatment delays. 2. Supply chain resilience. A logistics company developed risk intelligence systems, maintaining operational continuity during global disruptions. 3. Purpose-driven transformation. A nonprofit realigned its campaigns with its mission, increasing donor engagement by 60%. Conclusion. The future of governance. Quantum governance redefines how organizations manage complexity, enabling freedom within frameworks. It creates resilient, innovative systems that thrive in uncertainty. In the next episode, episode 13, we'll explore how cutting-edge technologies, AI, blockchain, and quantum computing amplify governance capabilities, shaping the future of organizational dynamics. Are you ready to lead your organization into a new era of governance? The time for transformation is now.